Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So if we have two capacitors connected to a battery, 250 volts, and the capacitors are connected in parallel, one of them is 6 microfarads, and the other one is 2 microfarads. So they're charged, which means we can figure out the charge on each pretty easily. I'll say this is C1 and C2. So Q1 is going to be C1 times V, and the voltage is the same for each because they're in parallel, so it's going to be 250 for either one. So this is 6 times 250, which is 1500 microcoulombs. And the charge on the second one, similar, is going to be C2 times V, which is 2 times 250 is 500 microcoulombs. So now we connect them positive to negative plate. This is C1, C2. And now that they're connected positive to negative, well, we can figure out the total charge, which is going to be Q1 plus negative Q2, since we're going to flip one of them. So that's 1500 minus 500, so the total charge is actually 1000 microcoulombs. Since we have positive to negative plate, this is the positive plate, this is the negative plate, so 1500 minus 500. Now we know the total charge, and we can figure out the total voltage, which is going to be Q over the total capacitance, which, since they're still in parallel, you just add the two up, so it's going to be 6 plus 2, which is 8 microfarads. So this is 1000 over 8, which is 125 volts. Now we can figure out the charge, the new charge on each one. So Q1 is going to be C1 times, I guess I'll call this V2. The first one is V1, so we don't get confused. 1, 1. So now I'm multiplying by V2, so this is 6 microfarads times 125 volts, which is 750 microcoulombs. And the new charge on the second one is, it's going to be C2 V2, which is 2 times 125. That's 250 microcoulombs.